This is the Lenevo Core i3 Intel processor laptop, and this laptop problem is power button is blinking when I plug in the charger, and power is not turning on, but power button only blinking. Okay, today I'll try to solve this problem. Let's check it. What is the problem? Plug in the charger, and you can see this. And you can see this here, and this chips is broken, and this does not matter because of this chips work for the network. Okay, our main problem is this power switch is blinking, power is not standby. Okay, let's check it again and plug in it, and you can see charging LED is standby but power LED is blinking. Okay, this is the issue. This is our input voltage, and 20 voltage is present here, and maybe this is one. This one is the secondary MOSFET, and here is also 20 voltage output, and this voltage is standby, and here this is not triggering. Okay, and you can see this one is okay, and this one also okay, and I need to check 3.3 voltage and 5 voltage, that is okay or not. And this one is the 3.3 volt and this one is the 5 volt. Check this voltage here, and you can see this 5 voltage is standby, and 3.3 volt, and this voltage also is standby, not triggering. Okay, and this one is the 3.3 volt MOSFET, and this one is the 5 voltage MOSFET. And let's check this charging side, and this one is the BQ chips, and BQ chips number is 25710, and this is not available at me, and check it, and this voltage is hiccuping or triggering, and you can see this voltage is triggering. This is not standby. Okay, 3 voltage is triggering. This is the reason for showing this, doing this. Okay, and this is the PK chips, and check this is the gate voltage, and this voltage okay, but this MOSFET gate voltage is triggering, and you can see this meter, and you will better understand when I use the analog meter, and you see this, and this meter LED is blinking, triggering so many times, and you understand that. Okay, let's check the BQ chip, and this is the output pin, and you can see this is triggering. Okay, and this one is the input voltage. Here is 20 voltage and standby. Okay, and 28 number pin is the regain. See this voltage here. Here 6 voltage is okay, and this is the MOSFET, and this is the charging pin. This voltage is triggering here. See this MOSFET input voltage, voltage input is okay, and this one is triggering. This is the output, and this pin also triggering here. Okay, and this pin connected with this here, to number pin, and this is also triggering, and this is the problem, and maybe this PK chips is problem. No, this is the issue. 2.2 ohm resistance. Maybe this resistance is open, and you can see this one is not showing. Check this here again. This is a 2.2 ohm resistance, and here is another one. This is okay. And this one is not showing. Okay, this is open. Let's see this. Let's open it. This one is open. It's showing 165 ohms. Okay. Okay, resistor is soldered. Plug in it, and you can see this is standby and power did not clone. Power is not turning on still. Here is a happen anything. Plug in it again. But power is not turning on. What happened? Check this voltage. .6 volt, and it's charging. Okay, check the gate voltage here, 16.31. that is okay, and charger lead also blinking, but power is not turning on. Press it, but not working. Okay, see this 5 voltage. 5 voltage is okay. 3.3 volt is also okay, but here is a no voltage. Let's disconnect all of this. Check this, here is any short circuit or not. Yup, this inductor is short with the ground. Here is this IC. Check this opposite part. And this part also. And this lay. And check this, which one is short here. Okay, this is the important. Okay, and I check this, and this is the short circuit, and this side is short circuit. Okay, and this side is open. Okay, I open the inductor because I find out where is the problem, and I open this IC also, and this IC also okay, and here is no short circuit, you can see, and this part is the shorted. And now, and here is some capacitor. I check also that 5 capacitor. This is also showing short. Okay. Finally, I found that, and this is the onboard RAM, and here is a 4 IC, 4 chips, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of them, maybe one is the shorted, and you can see this, and this is showing short, and 0.1 ohms, and maybe one IC is shorted here, and that's why our circuit is not turning on. Okay, I cannot check this because of I have a no power supply. Inject the power and check it. Next time I will show that, and which chips is shorted. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. I am just sharing this because of you can get some knowledge from this channel, that's why. And this voltage work for the RAM. Okay, this is the onboard RAM, and that is the problem, and one of them is shorted here for 4 chips.